Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be giving you a very powerful strategy that you can use to make money in the forex market. Okay, I'm sorry I have not posted for some time. That's due to the fact that I've been very busy. Okay, so I'm back right now. Okay, so all you just need to do, all you are looking out for when it comes to this strategy is you are looking, if it's a buy setup, all right, if it's a buy setup, you need a blue candle, which is a bullish candle. Okay, it could be a green candle if depending on your own color code. Okay, on your charts I prefer using blue and red. Okay, yours could be green and red. So if it's a buy setup, you need a blue candle whose liquidity is taken out to the downside. So look at this candle right here. Look at this candle right here. Okay, that blue candle right there, what do you see happening? Red candles took out the liquidity to the downside. Okay, so the liquidity below that blue candle has been taken out by the red candles. Do you see those two red candles that took out the liquidity to the downside? That's the first thing you need to see. So the liquidity that is resting below your bullish candle, okay, has to be taken out. Then the next thing you need to see is an aggressive displacement in the opposite direction, okay, which is the upward direction. So you need to see something like this, red candles taking out the liquidity, resting below the bullish candle. Next, you need to see aggressive upwards movements. That is what you need for your what? For your buy setup. Once you see that happening, and remember that aggressive movement that moves up has to take the liquidity above your bullish candle. What it implies is that the aggressive move must go above your bullish candle. Hope it makes sense. So once you see that happen, all you need to do to make money is to just place an horizontal line to mark the boundary of your bullish candle, which I have done already. Place an horizontal line at the top of that bullish candle. Place another horizontal line at the bottom of the bullish candle. Okay, so your entry has to be at the top level of that your boundary right here. You can see these red lines I'm drawing. That is where your entry should be. And as you can see, what happened, price came down, tapped into that level, and then gave you a buy opportunity. Hope it's making sense. If there is any part you don't understand, ask in the comment section. I'll do my best to go over it again. Okay, so basically that's how you enter for your buy setup. Definitely your stop loss SL is going to be below this level. Okay, your SL will be a few pips below that level. You can target 1 to 2, 1 to 1, or you can just manage your trade to the upside. All right, so that's for a buy setup. Let's see if we have a sell setup. Okay, this is another buy setup I've marked out for you. You will always see this happen on the charts. Okay, so look at this. This is a bullish candle right here. All right, the liquidity below it was taken out by these red candles. All right, then you add an explosive aggressive move to the upside, which also took out the liquidity of the top side of your bullish candle. Hope it's making sense. Good. So once you have that, it's time to make money. Get your horizontal line, place it. These horizontal lines are just there to make your entry clearer to you. Okay, so it gives me an idea that okay, this way I'm going to enter, this way I'm going to place my SL. All right, so I can just pick the prices. Okay, so all you just need to do is you can place a pending order exactly at that level. To do what? To buy. Because you know price will always come back there to give you a buy trade. SL a few pips below that level. Okay, that's where your SL is going to be. So let's see how this one played out. Market has not come back to it. Let's see if it's going to come back at some point. Let's keep going. This is another setup. I'll come back to it, but I need to show you where this current setup delivered. Okay, so this is where it delivered. You can see market tapped into it right here and did what? Started moving up. Did it hit your SL that is resting below here? No, it did not hit your SL. Powerful strategy. All right, if you are getting any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So it gave you some some buy opportunity. I think this is the last one I just analyzed. Okay, I think this is it. So let's go to the next one. So I have another setup. Yeah, good. This is a sell setup. I wouldn't have loved it if it's all buy setup. At least I would like you to also see how it can play out in the opposite direction. Okay, so you have this red candle right here. Okay, I always annotate it and put some things around it. You can see my arrow, you can see my rectangle. I like doing this, so it helps me remember how the setup is. As it's playing out, I'll draw it out so that when I want to do my own personal studies too, I know where what I'm looking at, okay, or what I'm looking for. So you can see bullish candles took out the liquidity resting above that red candle. Next, you want to see some aggressive move to the downside that takes out the liquidity below the candle. Okay, so definitely liquidity below that candle was taken out right here. What will I do? I need my horizontal lines to mark out the boundary of that red candle. Okay, good. So the boundary of this red candle has been marked out. The boundary of this red candle has been marked out. As you can see, I'm just gonna wait to enter. Okay, if you're very smart and you understand what's going on, you could even enter here. You can see the market came back to touch that level right there. Okay, after this aggressive move downwards, taking out the liquidity, you can quickly set your pending order to sell, and you would have been tagged in right here. But let's say you didn't do that and you waited for some time. I think another opportunity was presented, if I remember this trade very well. Yeah, so another opportunity was presented here. You would have still entered. What I love about this is the way price respects the level. Okay, the way price respects the level, doesn't even move. Your SL is going to be above here, so it's a very, very safe trade. That does not mean it does not have times when it fails. Okay, no strategy is 100%, but at least most of the time, if you take like 10 trades, you should have 7 that are going to win. That's a good strategy. You don't need a strategy that works 100%. It does not exist. Okay, sometimes it's going to fail, but what we will need is a system that works most of the time. That's just all you need in forex trading. Let's see, do I have more examples that I marked out on the charts? Okay, this is another sell example, so it's a nice one. I think probably this will be the last one I would take, or if there's one more, I will try to take it. I don't want the video to be too long. I believe you must have gotten the idea. Okay, so this is on that red candle right here. You can see the red candle. What happened? Liquidity was taken to the upside, and then we had a displacement to the downside. Good. So what are we looking for? We are looking to mark out that red candle, its boundary. I have this lower boundary marked out. Yeah, I've marked out the lower boundary and the upper boundary. Hope it's properly marked out. Yes, so I'm expecting price to come into that level. Definitely, my SL, my stop loss is going to be somewhere up here. Then I'll manage my trade to the downside once I'm tagged in. So market tagged me in here. Can you see it didn't go outside to trigger your stop loss? The stop loss, you are safe. So what did it give us? Gave us a selling opportunity. All right, gave us an opportunity to actually sell. Let me see if I have one more example. Okay, this is another sell example. So you already have an idea. Okay, so look at this candle. Liquidity was taken to the upside, displacements to the downside, taking out the liquidity to the downside, and marking out the boundary. This is a very, very powerful strategy. I'm marking out the boundary. Okay, so boundary marked out. I'm waiting for price to come there, tag me in, give me a nice sell trade. You can see that. If you are getting value, please subscribe. That's the only thing that encourages me to keep giving you these powerful strategies. And definitely, I also have my master strategy, which you can get if you want. Okay, so if you're a new viewer, like I said, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.